So, poor Gracie has to be in here by herself because we're painting the kitchen and the fumes are really bad. So, hi Gray Gray.
Why don't you love me?
Oh dear. Okay, anyways, so I just wanted to come in here and show everyone what she does when I leave the room. Okay, hi Gracie. Hi baby. I love you. Okay, I'll be right back. Bye. I love you. So I think she just yelled out a bunch of things like, honey buddy, I love you, and then come here. Hi. I love you. Okay, I'll be right back. Gotta go. Bye. Bye. All right, back to painting.